001850 is around 13 and 13. Send me a message. 1 mile running. Westbound on HPD Sergeant E. Take the gas station.
Southeast.
You're checking by. Send me a message. Stay out there. How's it going?
Show me your hands now! Now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now!
Shots fired. Clear shot.
Just have it to the head.
Shots fired.
5 shots fired.
Hey, let's get units out of here. Another sergeant, 1307. I'm the one that shot.
We got Rook Street just south of Bellfort.
He's armed.
Oh, 5 shots fired.
Eric, are you okay? 1405, I'm already out here.
Up there, I heard you guys.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Right when y'all ran to the corner, I heard y'all say he has a gun, and then I saw it in his hands.
Are you a shooter?
Yeah.
All weapons recovered? Huh? All weapons recovered?
He came up to me and asked me who I was.
Let me get your camera.
I couldn't tell what he had in his hands. Yeah.
Hey, whose taser is this?
We just checked back there. Jones, this way, Jones. One male running westbound on, correction, eastbound on Bellfort, next to the gas station. He has a gun! He has a gun! Hold there, he has a gun. Hands! Hold there, shots fired. One suspect, GSW to the head. We are at Rook Street, just south of Bellfort.
All right, Sarge, I'm gonna go back up with RJ. Hey, Sarge, she said she's seen him multiple times walking around out here. So he does probably live here. Can we get HPD location? One female conscious and breathing. Says she was hit in the face. I need units back here. I think I got eyes on the suspect. Back at the original location. Hey! Come here! Come here! Police department! Police department! Let me see your fucking ass! I got taser! Listen to your ass, you're gonna get tased! He has a gun! He has a gun! Let me see your fucking ass! He has a gun! Suspect has a gun! All right, guys.
We got Rook Street just south of Bellfort. You good?
Yeah.
Eric, are you okay? Yeah. Good, George? Yeah, I'm good. The other call that I was on is
I couldn't.
up there. I heard you guys. Are you okay? Right when y'all ran to the corner, I heard you supposed to say he had a gun, and then saw him too.
He was, when he ran, he said, he came up to me, asked me who I was.
Can you get your camera?
That's Terrell. Version 01, I'm out here at the shooting too.
Sarge, give me that tape right here. I'll start.
There he goes.
No one touched the gun.
Here, let's move him that way and start CPR on him. Let's get medical on him.
Hey, go get the bag. Where's the CSW? No.
Look right there. Look right there.
Get on an extra set of gloves.
Hold on. Please don't point that gun at me.
Just leave it there.
Stay back. Stay back.
Sarge, you want to perform medical?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll start CPR.
Let's see where the wounds are. Let's try and get CPR on him.
Robert.
You starting compression?
Yep.
All right, let me know if you want to switch up.